Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to take long scrolling screenshot in Android. So first of all, what you have to do is go to any application or any interface which allows scrolling. Now once you do that, first of all, what you have to do is take the normal screenshot. For that, what you have to do is press on power button and volume down button at once. Now you can see over here the screenshot is taken. Over here you'll be able to find the option for capture more. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to capture more. You'll be able to take the long scrolling screenshot. All you have to do is simply select the areas that you want to include in screenshot. Simply drag it like this to the bottom. Stop when you want to stop the screenshot. Now after doing that, tap on the save option that you can see on your screen. Now that long scrolling screenshot has been saved. Go to the gallery application or Google Photos. Now you can see over here you just took the long scrolling screenshot. So that is how you take long scrolling screenshot in Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.